What's the meaning of corpora? Corpora. Corpora.
Corpora. Corpora. The term corpora refers to a collection of written or spoken texts that are stored and used for linguistic analysis. These collections can range from small sets of texts to massive databases. Corpora are used both in linguistic research and in natural language processing applications such as machine translation and text-to-speech systems. By analyzing patterns in large corpora, researchers can gain insights into the structure and usage of natural language, which in turn can inform language teaching and learning. Overall, corpora provide a useful resource for studying and understanding language in its many forms.